Terve and welcome. Today we are doing a little bit gardening or landscaping. We have this spot straight here when we enter our property that looks kinda not good. I want to do something about it. This used to be a pile of dirt that we ordered for gardening and stuff like that, and it's almost gone. So I was thinking about leveling this place and make it back into basically grass or something. But that's the plan, so let's start doing it. I'm done for today. I'm about halfway there, so after this is done, this is all leveled, we are going to be putting some bushes, maybe some trees, I don't know, we'll see. Something that is pretty for the eye when you enter the property. But that's it for today. Let's continue on the next day. Okay, let's continue. Still lots of stuff to do, so without further ado, let's begin. There it is, all done. It's not completely fat, but it is good enough so I can mow the lawn on it. And besides, I think we are going to be putting some bushes and stuff over there, so it's okay. It's done. Now all I have to do is clean up the place and go to the shower. Yeah. Project continues. My wife bought these plants. What was this? This is a Firefox mount, I think. and there is like 5 of them. They are going to be growing into a about 70 centimeter diameter and 60 centimeter high bushes. So I'm probably gonna plant them like, I'm gonna get a measuring tape to check out the distance about, so that they would be a nice group of bushes over there. Okay, let's do this. That should be somewhat okay. There we go. Tomorrow I'm gonna go and buy some color, kuorikot or something over there, and then this little project is done. Yeah, we're gonna continue tomorrow. Some cover and grass seed. After a week or two, we're gonna see how it works. Already it's quite nice.